normal human beings don't have the capacity to be so inhuman. The people who do this are twisted in their brains. They are twisted in their heads. And if they can be animal abusers, they can be human abusers too, because it doesn't take time. They take pleasure from pain. And the second reason will be like, probably they cause some inconvenience to them. But I believe you all have heard about, you all have heard about Rani incident. The girl who was an acid attack victim, she refused to marry and the guy threw acid on her. And she lost her eyesight because of the same incident. So when we are growing so intolerant day by day that we have forgotten our Indian culture, which says Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the entire world is family. This world not only includes humans, it also includes nature and land and animals. So I think we should take a stand against this, and I'm really thankful to our guests out here who've come in support of this cause and are lending their voices out here. So thank you so much for being here. I'd request now the guests to talk a few lines about Can we start with Sarbani?
वॉइस करता हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ दो शब्दों में बयान करूँगा कि आजकल आप कुछ एनिमेशन फिल्में देख रहे हैं, जैसे कि जंबो आई थी कुछ साल पहले, एनिमेशन सीरीज़ है जिसमें एनिमल कैरेक्टर्स को ह्यूमन की आवाज़ दी जा रही है, ह्यूमन की आवाज़ में एनिमल्स बोलते हैं। तो अगर इन एनिमल्स को ह्यूमन की आवाज़ दी जा रही है तो इन सारे एनिमल्स के प्रति हम इंसानियत क्यों नहीं जता सकते? मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा और जज चाहूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hi everyone, I'm very happy to be here today because I am an animal lover. I have a pet at home. Unfortunately, my pet has arthritis and he can't really walk well, and I'm always like taking him to the doctor for medication. Now I have to do his surgery. So I actually feel the pain, and I feel everyone should feel the pain. It doesn't mean if you don't have a pet at home, you have no compassion. आप स्ट्रीट डॉग के लिए कोई कंपैशन ना रखें, मार के चले जाएं. You know, थोड़ा सा, if you can do it for another human being, if you can love another human being, why not a pet? Look at their faces, they're beautiful. Like, look at animals, look at birds, look at everything. They're just beautiful creatures. And unfortunately, they can't talk. So, उनकी आवाज़ बनिए, be a nicer human being, be a more compassionate human being. And I'm really happy to be here, and it's a great initiative Mithibai in place. So, congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. We are really sad to hear about your dog. May he get well soon. And yeah, exactly what we are trying to say, that we tend to differentiate a lot between pet animals and street animals, but we fail to understand that both of them feel the same kind of pain. So yeah, can I now request Mrs. Dipshika Deshmukh to share her views and opinions on the same?
Thank you, Mithibai. It's a great initiative that you all have taken. I just want to take this platform to say that there aren't adequate laws in the country for the prevention of cruelty towards animals, and it's really sad because the recent spate of atrocities that we've seen towards stray dogs, whether it's in Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Hyderabad, have been extremely shocking, and to actually see those perpetrators get away with it is even more shocking. Like you mentioned, the Cruelty Act, which was established in 1960, has a penalty of only 10 to 50 rupees, and for the repeat offenders it's only 50 to 100 rupees. I mean, come on, a cup of coffee is more than that, you know. So this is something that we really need to stand up against, because unless and until there isn't a very hefty fine that has been put on them, or unless and until there isn't a very strong punishment in the form of imprisonment, they won't stop that. Maybe even then, you know, I hopefully feel that if these things are put in stage, then they'll at least stop from kicking the animals or stoning a cat. Otherwise, people don't find this an offense at all. So I just hope that through this we can come together and support this cause. That's all. Thank you.
Really well said, ma'am. And Animals Act 1960 that allows animal abusers to get away with 50 rupees fine only, and they are also allowed later, to own animals. But whereas the current law which we are standing for, Animal Welfare Bill, that debars the animal abusers from owning any dog, any animal, any pet. So yeah, now can we pass on the mic to Mr. Supinder Singh? We'd love to hear your opinions on the same.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हाय, माय नेम इज सुखविंदर सिंह। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। 9 years before I had one puppy। 9 साल पहले मेरे पास एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा पप्पी था। अब मेरे पास 8 पप्पी हैं। अब उनके पास मैं हूँ। एक्चुअली पहले मैं लोगों को कहता था कि मेरे पास एक बहुत ही क्यूट पप्पी है, वेरी क्यूटेस्ट, वेरी गुड लुकिंग, वेरी फ्लर्टी था, लाइक मी है, अभी भी है। नाउ समबडी गिव मी दिस सेंटेंस कि दैट नाउ दे हैव यू, क्योंकि 6 पेट्स आई हैव, आई लव देम। एनिमल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। मैं जब भी कभी घर पे वापस जब आता हूँ, आई कम बैक होम। Yes, definitely. And of course, and उनसे मिलके, उनके साथ खेल के स्ट्रेस आउट होता है। और जैसा अभी आपने देखा वो वीडियो जो दिखाया था, आई कुडंट सी दैट वीडियो, इट्स रियली रिडिकुलस। वो जो पर्सन किस तरह से उन्होंने डॉगी को फेंका, इट इज रियली। And I must appreciate that Mithi Bai College, they are doing really very good about this, and all of us must clap for this. And when I came to Mumbai, मैं मिठी बाई को मिष्ठी बाई बोलता था। मिष्ठी, you know what does it mean? Yes, and it is, I can see. This is the compliment from your favorite singer. Yes. So, it is just not a content. ये कोई subject नहीं है. So we are talking about animals. It is just not a subject, not even a content. ये हम किसी की ज़िंदगी के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, किसी की लाइफ के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, और वो सेम है। कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, when I look at my pets, कॉन्स्टेंटली व्हेन आई लुक एट माई पेट्स, वो मेरी तरफ देख के बोलते कि ये हमसे थोड़ा सा अलग क्यों है, जैसे हम उनको देख के बोलते हैं। तो एवरीथिंग सेम। जो मिठी बाई कॉलेज ने जो प्यार दिखाया है एनिमल्स के लिए, जो आपने यहाँ ये फंक्शनिंग की है, आई अप्रिशिएट एंड आई अप्रिशिएट।
Thank you so much, Mr. Supinder Singh, and it's like, thank you so much. Really, you've come forward to lend your voice to this cause that means a lot to us. Yeah, so thanks a lot. And now we moving on to Jennifer Wingate. Jennifer, we love our principal, but we are first going out with the guests, and then we come to the principal comes, towards the end with a bang. Towards the end with a bang.
Thank you. Hi everybody. Hi. How are you guys? Are you guys tired standing there? You've been standing there for too long, haven't you? Okay, now imagine when you tie your dogs out in the sun and they, I've heard of incidents of cruel, evil, disgusting people tying their dogs out in the sun, not giving them proper food, not giving them proper water. It's disgusting. Human beings, y'all can walk out anytime y'all want when you get tired. Dogs, Any animal can't do that. They have to suffer through the atrocities that we human beings, give them. And they, the reason why I'm so honored to be a part of this initiative that Mitibai College has taken is we, the future of India, the future, you guys, the future, must lend your voice to these animals who are unable to speak and express what they feel. When we have pets, they give us so much, like, Supinder ji was saying, they give us so much, they are stress busters, they give us unconditional love. Any animal, when you look into their eyes, all you see is love. There's no complaint, there's no why did you, there's no blame, there's nothing, there's only love. And the least they expect from us is to love them back. And if we can't do that to them, we shouldn't call ourselves human beings. We really. So we should always remember that animals, be it our pets or strays, or they're not our commodities, they're not machines. They are living creatures. God has given us them to, we share this planet with them. There's a reason why they are here. We cannot ill-treat them, mistreat them. The Prevention Act, what is that act? I don't remember the name. It was made in 1960, for crying out loud. I mean, come on, so much has changed after that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just get so damn angry when I see people, mistreating animals. I mean, how do you call yourselves human beings when you mistreat animals? And it's a humble request, to everybody. If you see animals being mistreated anywhere, when you see in your local meat shop, when chickens are stuffed into cages, it's inhuman. It's disgraceful. When you see these horses being, when they pull the carts and when they are made to work in the sun, they can't walk on concrete roads. They slip. There was this one time, I would like to share this with you. So I was in my car, I was on the highway, and on the main Western Express highway, and the car was driving obviously, and there was a horse, a man on a horse who was riding a horse. The horse was galloping on the highway, on concrete roads. Imagine the pain he must be going through. I couldn't stop crying. I felt so helpless that I couldn't do anything. But now I know better. Now I know that I can call animal activists or organizations and tell them, complain that aisa yahan ho raha hai. And I request you guys, our future, to do the same. If you see any animal being mistreated, please launch a complaint. And agar police get a lawyer, be proactive. Do not say, अच्छा हम कल करेंगे, उसको बोल देंगे, इसको बोल देंगे. हाँ बोलिए, आप पुलिस को बोलिए, lawyers को बोलिए, but be present. Be present when you take these actions. Be responsible, because animals need us. We need them, not just our pets, but our strays. I'm not a big, I've not really done anything for animals as much कि मैं यहाँ कर बोल कि आप भी ये करो, वो भी करो. But this is a start. When these guys called me to be a part of this, just a few days back, I'm sorry I'm taking so much time, but I just want to say so much, because I know that this is very, very important to me. So just a few days back, I was sitting, I have a pet, I have a lab. He's the most adorable dog ever. So I was sitting with him and I was just, we were playing, and I was thinking that, he's so lucky to have me, I'm so lucky to have me, but there are so many animals out there who have no one to nobody cares about them. They eat or don't eat, or we want our pets to be in air conditioned and eat good food and be healthy and be good looking, but who looks after them? And just few days after, I got a message from Emplace to be a part of this initiative, and I knew that this is my calling, this is what I want to do. I want to be motivated and inspired by you guys to do good. And if today I inspire even one person to do something good for animals, my mission is accomplished. I am not going to stop to help animals, and I don't want you guys to stop. Is that clear? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for having me here. It's an absolute honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you so, so much. excuse me, I need to read something that when I was sitting here, I just got a message from my friend, and so there is this one incident that happened. I would like to share it with you guys. It says, create a law / protocol to punish assault on humans helping animals. Day before yesterday, a married man physically assaulted a 20-year-old girl, Sejal. There is a video footage which you can see later. I haven't seen it yet, but I just want to share this. The society members looked on. The wife of this man is with the Indian Revenue Service. Until court proceedings complete, they are deemed innocent. I just got it. This happened in Pune? Okay. 20-year-old Sejal Sharaf and her mother were looking after 2 orphan pups. The pups defecate on the building stairs. The pups cry loudly, disturbing their peace. Sejal and her mom prevented the PMC municipal van from picking up the puppies since they were 2 months old. No one is allowed to pick up pups under 6 months as per the Animal Welfare Board of India. So the lawyer that they hired said this is a severe offence. More police custody was needed. Only then would it prove a deterrent to people like him. So we need to be, the point of sharing this is we need to be aware of these incidents. We need to do something about these incidents because the animals will not be able to do anything. It's our responsibility. Guys, please take this seriously. And this is just the start. Let's just, Mahatma Gandhi once said, the greatness of a nation is judged by the way it treats its animals. And we as a country, we worship nature, we praise nature. Animals are part of, we are nature. We must take care of them. So please look into this, be serious about this, be proactive, and make this the greatest nation ever. Thank you.
Ooh, that was really enlightening, and it was really, it's so much of pride you share our opinions on the same.
Hi guys, can I get your attention please? All of them, all of those standing at the back. Woo! भाइयों और बहनों इधर आ जाओ. भाइयों और भाइयों की बहनों या बहनों और भाइयों के भाइयों. Come on. There's no point in us talking if you don't listen to us basically, okay? You know what? I used to be scared of dogs. I used to be scared of dogs. Sorry for the use of the word shit, but it's become, a part of our language these days, And I used to be hanging onto my father's neck. My father, 5'11", I used to be like, Mama, bacha lo kutta hai. But after I came to Mumbai, all alone, I had my first experience of having a dog as a friend. And that dog, I named her Kalu, who used to live in my society, and she used to show me my house. Ki boss, ye tera ghar nahi hai, wo tera ghar hai. And just for the sake of fun, I used to move into another house and just stand there, and she would like, bow, 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 bow. And she was my first friend, and she got misplaced. Yeah, bow, bow, bow. That is how they speak, yeah. हम लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल लेते हैं, but they can't say more than that. Alright, so that is how I made my first dog friend, and I am very proud of that. Because since starting to understand her only today, I feed 100 dogs at least every day. I need no clappings for that. I am not doing anybody any favor. I do it because I feel so happy. ये बच्चे रोज खाना खा के सोते हैं रात को, मुझे शांति मिलती है कि भूखा पेट नहीं सोया. And mind you, I don't do it only for animals. I don't do it only for animals. I see a hungry man, I see a man with a human being without a house lying somewhere on the road. I feed that man also. I have the compassion, as much compassion I have for animals, I have that much compassion for human beings also. If I did not have compassion for animals, and if I had not started standing up for them when I did, I would not have stood by any human being also. Because I would have been too scared. I have learned one thing because of my practical being with animals is that animals, we are is mostly scared of them. They are like four-legged bees. They bark, and they do not do what moo and पता नहीं क्या क्या. We don't understand the language, but जो हम feel करते हैं वो feel करते हैं. We as a human being, because of our fast-track life, we have stopped standing and smelling the flowers. We have forgotten that life. कि क्या खूबसूरत जगह है, हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है, ऑटो पकड़ो भागो यार, काम पे भागो. बट वो जो 2 मिनट का समय हम देते हैं ना अपने सोल की शांति के लिए, शायद वो हमें लॉन्ग वे तक ले जाता है, हमें दिमागी शांति देता है. That is my experience. I'm sharing that. And another thing, friends, don't do unto others what you would not want to be done unto you. Be it a human being, be it an animal. जो इंसान एक ना बोल सकने वाले जानवर को, उस चीज को जो अपनी तकलीफ किसी को नहीं बता सकता, ये नहीं बता सकता कि किसने उसको तकलीफ पहुंचाई है, आज अगर वो इंसान ऐसी चीज को तकलीफ देता है, उसको बहुत देर नहीं लगेगी अगर उसे रोका नहीं गया कि कल आपको, मुझको, इनको तकलीफ दे. Mind it. A person who is not stopped in the very beginning will hurt others, and we will have more of Nirbhaya cases, and we are still having that. Candle march करने से कुछ नहीं होता. कैंडल मार्च करके हम बहुत महानता से फोटोग्राफ खिंचवाते हैं, फेसबुक पे डालते हैं, सोशल नेटवर्क पे डालते हैं, भूल जाते हैं. फिर क्या होता है? एक और निर्भया होगा, एक और एसिड अटैक होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. Till and when we do not wake up, we do not give that 5-10 minutes time of our own life to things that really matter for making a better world for us, for you, for your offspring. Nothing, no change will come about, and we have to start today. मुझे कई लोगों ने बोला कि यार पुलिस के चक्कर में मत पड़ा करो, भाग जाओ, कुछ चीज सड़क पे देखो भाग जाओ. यकीन मानो मुझे मेरे घर के लोगों ने बोला है. 4 दिन पहले एक औरत मुझे सड़क पे पड़ी दिखी थी, मैंने वहीं खड़े होकर 100 डायल किया, मैंने रिपोर्ट किया, मैं चले गई अपने काम पे और लोगों को बता के कि प्लीज़ इसको पुलिस की हेल्प चाहिए, इसको पता नहीं क्या हुआ है, क्योंकि लोग डरा रहे थे मुझे कि ये शायद मर गई है. मैंने कहा नहीं, सांस ले रही है. लोगों ने बोला अरे पता नहीं हाथ मत लगाओ, पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, केस बन जाएगा. आई वाज लाइक ओके. लेकिन मैंने 100 डायल किया. मेरे पास फ़ोन में व्हाट्सएप पे पुलिस वाले का थैंक यू है. उसे नहीं पता कि मैं कौन हूँ, नहीं पता उसे. मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे मेरा थोबड़ा भी नहीं लगा हुआ है. बट यस, एक कोशिश करो यार, चाहे वो इंसान के लिए हो, चाहे वो जानवर के लिए हो, किसी के लिए तो करो. 2 मिनट और ले सकती हूँ. You know what happens? हम में से जो भी लोग हैं ना, we get by all these animals, you know, those species. But जो हम भारतीय हैं, हम इस देश में पैदा हुए हैं, यहाँ सांस लेते हैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हैं, फ्लश भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमें हमारी भारतीय चीज़ें बहुत गंदी लगती है. हम इंडियन स्ट्रीट डॉग को थूकते हैं. साइकिल चलाते हुए बंदा जा रहा था, रात को सड़क किनारे डॉगी सो रहा था, कुछ नहीं कर रहा था मेरे दोस्त, कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. वो साइकिल वाले ने एक तो लाती निकल गया. नाउ इसका रेपरकशन क्या होगा? द डॉगी अंडरस्टैंड्स कि जो साइकिल पे बंदा जा रहा है वो उसको मारने वाला है. उसे नहीं पता कि ये साइकिल वाला दूसरा था, वो ये वाला दूसरा है, अभी उसको नहीं पता है. तो जो साइकिल वाला जाएगा उसके बगल से, उसके पीछे वो भागेगा, उसको बाइट करने की कोशिश करेगा. राइट? दैट इज देयर. उतना समझ में आता है. राइट? तो आप उसको अपने घर में, जो आपकी पत्नी ने आपको सुबह लात मार के घर से बाहर निकाला है कि भैया जाओ काम पे जाओ, भाई आप अपनी भड़ास उस बेजुबान पर क्यों निकालते हो? आप तो निकल जाओगे. वो बेजुबान जो है, जिसमें समझ आता है, वो दूसरों को काटेगा. दूसरे क्या बोलेंगे? ये पागल कुत्ता है. राइट? This can happen to not just dogs. It can happen animals. And believe me, I have learned that any animal will not attack you till and when he is hungry, he is terrified, he is in pain. I have played with leopards in Kenya. They did nothing to me. I gave them a good ghasi ghasi. There were 3 of them. I gave a ghasi ghasi to 2 of them. I have had a 3-legged horse as a friend. I have had 3 donkeys as a friend. And dogs and cats so innumerous. मेरे मेकअप रूम में थपकी प्यार की जो मैं शो कर रही हूँ वहाँ पे we are like 7 females, me and 6 doggies who are there in the room always being fed, looked after, etc. Plus another 45 last counted some 2 weeks ago who are being fed every day. टाइम लिया करो दोस्तों. When you come back home now, just see who are there, including animals. Humans will be asleep. The animals on the road now will be like, "Hi, you're back." That 2-minute thing, you know, just talk to them, na? You don't have to touch them. Just talk to them. Hi, क्या हाल है? ठीक है? Oh, okay, bye. Done. निकला मैं. You'll be like, and you'll feel so happy. Feed them. If you feed them 10 रुपए का बिस्किट का पैकेट आता है, पार्ले जी मत खिलाओ, मारे खिला दो, वो झगड़ा करना बंद कर देंगे आपस में. 10 rupees is nothing today, right? उससे पता नहीं कितना ज्यादा हम खर्च कर देते हैं, right? So let's all unite for animals. Thank you, Emblaze. Thank you for having us here. Thank you for supporting this cause. Thank you. Wake up! Wake up today because tomorrow it will be too late. Thank you.